Good afternoon. At this time, we're going to review Units 5 and 6. On page 64, track number 82, listen, circle, and match. Number 1, pole, pole. Number 2, hope, hope. Number 3, boat, boat. On the bottom part of page 64, circle and write. Number 1, home, home. Number 2, mole, mole. Number 3, nose, nose. Number 4, loan, loan. On page 65, the upper part, say circle and write. Number 1, cone, cone. Number 2, rose, rose. Number 3, dome, dome. Number 4, note, note. Number 5, rope, rope. Number 6, hole, hole. On the bottom part of page 65, track number 83, listen and circle. Number 1, bone, bone. Number 2, rose, rose. Number 3, mole, mole. On page 66, read, circle, and write. Number 1, the man has a horse. The man has a horse. Number 2, the mole likes the nut. The mole likes the nut. 3, the pig has a big nose. The pig has a big nose. Number 4, let's go home. Let's go home. And number 5, a bone is in the hole. A bone is in the hole. On page 67, the upper part, read the story. There is a big hole. It is the mole's home. The mole likes his home. There is a red rose. It is the mole's rose. The mole likes his rose. The mole goes to the rose with a horse. Hello, Rose, says the mole. On the bottom part of the story, answer the question. The mole likes the 1, rope, 2, rose. The mole likes the 1, rope, 2, rose. Thank you.